Hey guys, Greg Grossenbacher here, and welcome to another Fun and Sun RV Tips and Tricks episode. Today we're talking RV hot water heater bypass systems. Please stay tuned. There are three types of RV hot water heater bypass systems: a single valve, a double valve, and the most popular triple valve system like I have here. In the wintertime mode, you want to have the cold water valve closed, the hot water output valve closed, and the bypass valve open, like this. This will allow you to run antifreeze through both hot and cold water lines without filling up the hot water heater. In the summertime mode, you want the cold water valve inlet open and your hot water output valve open. That allows water to enter your hot water heater. And you want your bypass valve closed, like this. That way, you don't have to worry about cold water mixing with your hot water, giving you lukewarm water when you turn on your faucet. One of the biggest service questions we get in the spring is that when you turn on your faucet, you get lukewarm water, which usually means the bypass valve was left open, allowing cold water to mix with hot water, giving you lukewarm water when you turn on your hot water faucet. Here is a very good tip when it comes to RV hot water heaters. If you turn one valve, you turn them all. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy camping!